My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Vechain coin and what is the next target of Vechain coin. In this video I will show you, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please kindly subscribe my channel for more new updates and news about cryptocurrency markets, friends. First of all, we look the price of Vechain. So the price of the Vechain at this time is about 0.229302 USD dollar is the current price of Vechain at this time frame. Now if you look the change occur in the Vechain, so about the last 1 hour change is about negative 6%, and the last 1 day change is negative, and the last 7 day change is also positive, friends. But the last 1 day change, 7 day change, last 1 week change is positive, and the last 1 day change is negative. That's mean that's currently at this time from the previous last 1 hour 1 day the change, the falling of the Vechain coin are starts now, friends. As you can see here, for more details, the last 1 hour change, you can see here the last 1 hour price prediction on the screen. If you look the change, so the last change is about negative 0.87%, and if we look the high price of Vechain in the last 1 hour, so the high price is about 0.2343 USD dollar is a high price of Vechain and the last 1 hour, friends. Now the current price of the Vechain is about 2.2265 USD dollar is the current price of Vechain at this time, friends. Now let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction, and let's try to detect the next target of Vechain coin. What's the next target? What's the next move occurs in the Vechain coin, friends? First of all, as you can see here, the change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 day is about negative 13.67%, and the high price is about 0.2629 USD dollar is the high price of Vechain in the last 1 day, friends. Now let's start the technical analysis and try to predict the next target of Vechain coin, friends. As you can see here, now let's suppose, friends, that is a high resistance level of Vechain, as you can see here, and now let's suppose that is a support level of Vechain coin, friends. Now they continue his travel at this time, as you can see here, take a jump and again small falls down, take a jump and now again falls down, but they cannot break the resistance level, in as you can see here also cannot break the support level at this time, friends. Now they again take a jump, so I think they are now a high jump taken, and now after a high jump they maybe move upward, they break the resistance level, and they take a high jump, and maybe they again falls down, and maybe they break the last support level, friends. We can't say about the future of the Vechain coin, but I think a lot of chances to they take a jump, because as you know the last 1 day, previous last 1 day they falls down, so after a falls there is a jump. That's every cryptocurrency's phenomena, that after a falls there is a jump. So as you know the last 1 hour period is a continuously fast occur in the Vechain coin, so the next target may be a jump. So what's your opinion about Vechain coin? I think 7% chance, 70% chances to they take a jump, and 30% chances to they take a dump. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more news and updates.